Hello, I'm Chris Bone. I'm the Vice President for Digital and Access Solutions for ASSA ABLOY EMEA, so it's Europe, Middle East and Africa. At the show this week, we're very excited. In fact, we've got so much stuff here, I don't know really where to start. Right through from the basic mechanical equipment with all new patented locking technologies, some incredible new door closing equipment which you can see behind us, which includes something that I'm actually really excited about, what we call soft close. So the door will actually close softly, not just close, but close softly for you as well, like you see in some kitchens and so on nowadays, which is fantastic if you've ever slept in a hotel room and been annoyed by slamming doors. And then we move through to the electronic product ranges, where we continue to bring new innovation to our e-click product range, our click product and our e-click product range, which is a mechatronic electronic key cylinder range. Of course, the Aperio range continues to expand, and the local access control solution called Scala, which we have in Germany, is now integrated in both the Click product range and the Aperio battery-powered lock range as well. So you offer a full comprehensive solution, plus wired doors for the customers to control pretty much any locking point in their entire facility they're building and so on. And then, of course, we move into our residential. So one of the big areas that we're moving into now in Central Europe in particular is to really start to push Yale as our residential brand, and really the electronics on the residential side of things with our Yale Smart Living coming along, which is a whole suite of electronic security products for the residential DIY market. But that also supports our exciting new product ranges in what we call digital door locking or smart door locking range, which is a series of products across Europe to suit many, many different door types and allow a user to integrate that in, remote control the door, do away with keys. I mean, I have one on my home in the UK. My kids have never used a key. I mean, they've grown up without a key. They use the PIN or they use their smartphones to get into the house. So it's a real world changer out there that integrates in with our Yale side of things. In general, around the show, there's some incredible technology on around the show. I think probably the main sort of areas that I'm seeing pop up and being important to the future of the industry in the access control world in particular, firstly is design now is becoming more and more important. We used to build ugly products. I think now we're starting to all work on making the access control world beautiful as well. More of emphasis on integration and open standards. We're a big supporter, for example, of OSS, which is a standard for data on card access control, so we use that with the battery-powered locks like Aperio, for example, but other vendors are also supporting that as well, and it gives the end user choice, which is we think is really important. They can choose the best product in the market to suit their application without having to be handcuffed or locked into a particular technology. Of course, we'd prefer if it was our technology all the time, but we're realistic about these things. Bluetooth is very big here. I still think it's very early days for Bluetooth. It will take time. Bluetooth with mobile keys, for example, it will take time, but it is going to come. There's no doubt about it. It supports the battery-powered locking market. It supports the mobile keys market. Much better performance than NFC for a user. And, of course, it's an area we're excited to be involved in as well. Other areas, well, I think just the proliferation of battery-powered locking devices in general. I mean, there must be, if you went back 10 years, there would be 3 or 4 vendors here offering battery-powered locking devices. Now there's 10, 20, I can't even count them all. Clearly, it's no longer an area that's in development. It's now a mainstay of the industry, I think, and not just in in Central Europe, but all across Europe. So yeah, lots of exciting things both on our stand and at the exhibition in general. Thank you.